Good day, Matalinos! For today's discussion or tutorial, I will teach you how to evaluate a function, or shall I say, our lesson is all about evaluation of functions. In functions, there are several ways how to represent a function. The first method is what we call through mapping. The second way is through table of values, and the third way is through vertical line test. Evaluating functions means that you are going to solve for the function value given a particular value of the variable used in the equation. So meaning to say, if we have a given equation or function, we need to ibig sabihin ng evaluation of function, papalitan natin yung value ng x kung ano ang binigay na given. So let's have the first value of x, f of 1. Ibig sabihin, ang given natin, papalitan natin lahat ng x sa value ni 1. So, we have f of 1 is equal to, isusulat natin ang given, which is 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute lang natin ang 1 sa ating x. So, we have 2 multiplied by 1 square minus 6. The value of x is 1. So, we have plus 1. Tatandaan nyo, kung 1 ang nilagay natin sa una, 1 din sa pangalawa. Bakit? Kasi ang ini-evaluate natin, yung x, papalitan natin ng 1. So, we have 1 times 1 is 1. So, remain lang siya. So, we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2 minus 6 plus 1. So, 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 4. Plus 1 will become negative 3. So, we have f of 1 is equal to negative 3. Ibig sabihin, ang y natin ay equal siya kay negative 3. How about if the given value is f of negative 2. So, let's rewrite the given, 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. So, we will change the value of x into negative 2. So, we have 2 multiplied by negative 2 square minus 6 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1. So, we have negative 2 times negative 2 will become positive 4. So, we have 2 multiplied by positive 4. So, we have negative 2 multiplied by negative 6 will become positive 12 plus 1. So, we have 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus 12 plus 1. So, we have 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So, we have f of negative 2 or function of negative 2 is equal to positive 21. Now, let us proceed to f of 3. So, rewrite the given, which is 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. So, we will change the value of x into positive 3. So, we have 3 squared minus 6 multiplied by 3 plus 1. Inuulit ko, papalitan natin ang value ng x into 3. So, we have 3 this and 3 to those part. So, we have now 3 square will become 9. So, we have 2 multiplied by 9 minus negative 6 times 3 is negative 18 plus 1. So, 2 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So, we have 18 minus 18 is 0 plus 1 is 1. So, f of 3 will become positive 1.